Hi folks, we're just demonstrating our Electro Neutronics CDV-700 for you. And you can see this is the times 10 setting. And of course the clicking you hear is from the external speaker that I'll show you. And there's the certificate from February 6th of 2003. And it's in virtually like new condition. And although it should be in one of the photos, it typically has that slight mar in the faceplate in the plexiglass. But otherwise, inside and out, it's a beauty and comes with the box, the headphones, the two manuals, and the original certificate of calibration. It's been mainly in the box. We've used it to check some Vaseline glass that we have. Believe me, this is the one that you want. Take care.